Hello. Okay, guys, let's start. So, welcome to Safe Club, Global Business and Residual Income. Disclaimer po tayo, coaches, no? So, this is not a guarantee of income. My results are not typical, and this is the result of consistent effort, skill, and action over time. So your success with Save Club or any business depends on your work ethics, dedication, and ability to follow through. Not all affiliates will earn income. Again, not all affiliates will earn income and no earnings are promised or guaranteed. So hindi po tayo investment company. So all your earnings here dito is pagtatrabahuan natin as a team. Always do your own due diligence before joining any opportunity. Okay? I am Live Good Diamond, Judah Horda. I am the sixth diamond dito sa Philippines. Okay? So I am former police officer. Okay? Na-invite, nag-diamond po ako sa loob ng kulungan. Okay? So this is public knowledge, coaches, no? When I was doing Live Good, nasa miserable life po ako. Okay? So, this time, nalampasan ko na po yung trials ko. I'm doing Safe Club in my comfort of my home. Okay? So, I am $200,000 club member. Okay? That is 11 million in just 2 years po, coaches, sa Live Good. Okay? Yan po na-achieve namin. Okay? Ni Coach Adonis Espadilla, Coach Ben. Okay? So, na-prove namin na yung namin na may na-achieve kami. Okay? I am a car achiever. Opo. And madami po, hindi po lang ako. Marami po ang nakapagbili ng sasakyan sa Live Good. Okay? So, I am 25 years experience in MLM. I am also the founder of Team Blue Dragon. Ito po yung team na yung power team under Coach Harold Pangan. Okay? So, baka may nagtataka kayo, we are now in Save Club, but bakit Live Good? Okay? So, kasi si Save Club and Live Good is having the same system. Different product, different CEO, pero pareho lang po sila ng sistema. Okay? So, hindi rin po sila magkakompetensya kasi magkaiba yung product natin. Okay? Kung nagawa namin ito, na-achieve namin ito sa Live Good in a short period of time, in 2 years dito, sundan nyo lang po ako. And hindi po kayo aabutin ng taon para kumita ng 11 million. Okay? So here is sample of earnings sa Live Good wherein ito hindi ko po ito pinagyayabang, okay? This is not to brag, okay? Kasi yung ibang tao kasi hindi sila naniniwala pag wala akong proof of income. Ito po, i-play ko po. So makikita niyo po, if that is my name, then this is the month of October 2023, kumita po ako ng $8,275. In pesos po, that is 467,000. Okay? So that was October. October. So in November, kumita po ako ng $8,482 or sa peso that is 475,000. Okay? So, transparent po tayo dito, nakikita yan. Then, by December 2023, kumita po ako ng 8,264 or 462,000. So, may statement po yan every month hindi po gawa-gawa yan. Okay? So, pinapakita ko sa inyo is monthly earnings pa lang po. Wala pa po yung weekly earnings. Okay? So, next is January 2024. Kumita po ko ng $8,035 or 450,000. So, makikita nyo, we have, and I have passive income sa Libgood. Nakita nyo? In a short period of time, pero dito, coaches, ha? Dito sa Save Club, tuturuan ko po kayo. Okay? If you go for the challenge, yung 16-day challenge ko, next month po, ha? Next month po, lahat ng nakikinig dito, lahat ng nasa Zoom, lahat ng nakikinig sa Facebook Live, if you do yung ano ko, yung challenge ko, 16-day challenge, next month, okay? Next month, magsisimula na po kayong kumita ng 500,000 a month. A month ha, hindi ko sinabing June lang. That is passive earnings from June. Okay? From month after month after month. Tuturuan ko po kayo paano po kumita ng passive income in just 16 days challenge. Okay? Gusto niyo po ba yun, coaches? Hello, hello, hello. Patype naman ako ng 1. Patay po ako ng 1 for those na gustong kumita ng 500,000 next month. Oh, grabe si Coach Ben, oh. Lagi kong uh, first honor, ah. Okay, so, yun. So, what is Save Club? Si Save Club is a US-based company na magbubukas pa lang sa June 1. Okay? Again, ha, magbubukas pa lang June 1, 2025. Okay? Nakita nyo yan? So, bakit nag-promote na si Coach Judah as early as now? Alam nyo po, napakaswerte nyo po. Ngayon, lahat ng nakikinig ang nandito sa Zoom, napakaswerte nyo kasi you are one of the first na nalaman si Save Club. And at the same time, we are on pre-launch pa lang. When we say pre-launch, hindi pa po binubuksan. And by June 1, okay, ito na po yung grand launching ni Save Club sa US, di ba? Na for every time may nagbubukas dito sa Pilipinas na US company, lahat ng mga multi-level marketing, lahat ng networker, di ba? Nagkakagulo, pinag-aagawan yung isang company na US company na magbubukas dito sa Pilipinas. Eto oh, magbubukas pa lang sa June 1. So, that's my point. Ha? Nandito po kayo, nalaman nyo na po yung opportunity. Grab it, coaches. Okay? So, available in more than 180 plus countries. Okay? So, it's all about saving money on your purchases. Kung bibili lang din kayo ng mga apparel, relos, anything, nagtra-travel kayo abroad, nagbabayad, bumibili kayo ng plane ticket, nagbabayad kayo ng hotel accommodation, this is all about saving. Kaya Save Club po tayo. Okay? So timing is everything. Being in early is a gift and a course. Okay? Gift in a sense na, 'di ba? Yung income opportunity dahil nauna ka, but this is also a course. Bakit? Pag nagsimula po kayo, ang dami niyo pong basher. Ang dami pong magsasabi sa inyo, it's a scam. Di ba? But, eto, you have to be, okay? You have to be brave as the pioneering dito sa Save Club. Okay? So, si Save Club is founded by Charles Moy. Save Club offers unbeatable discounts, cashbacks, and exclusive deals at thousands of partner establishment. Okay? Prior to Save Club, yung CEO po natin is been in this business for 20 years. So, ibig sabihin, coach, ibig sabihin, plastado na po ito. Ito na po yung product niya for 20 years. Okay? Marami na po siyang mga partners. Okay? Ang ginawa niya lang po is nilagyan niya ng system like Lead Good. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Gusto niyo po ba yan? So exciting, di ba? Pa-type naman number 2, baka wala na po akong guest dito. Hello, hello, hello. Pa-type number 2, coaches. Ayan, Diamond Adonis. Hello, hello.
Nasa sasakyan pa
Okay,
po, Coach.
so our platform is available to people all over the world. Etong gustong-gusto kong negosyo. Working from home, using my cell phone, laptops, or any desktop anywhere in the world. Di ba? Kumikita ka ng dollar, nandito ka sa Pilipinas. Di ba? At you're working at your own convenience. Di ba? So, our platform is available to people all over the world, allowing anyone, anywhere to register and start enjoying all the benefits. Okay? This is your chance to be one of the first in your country, in our country, not only the Philippines. Bakit? Pwede tayo maging first sa buong mundo, di ba? Kasi you can be share. You can share this opportunity anywhere right now, especially right now. We are just on freelance to join this revolution and build something extraordinary from the very beginning. Okay, so our vision is to make financial freedom accessible to everyone. Okay, so our mission is simple: to help you save more, earn more, and get greater value than the cost of your membership. Okay? So, about Save Club products, it's all about savings. Save thousands every year. Okay? You have 1 million ways to save money. Diba? And this time, hindi ka lang nakaka-save. Kikita ka pa. Okay? Dahil isi-share mo ito sa mga tao na para makapag-save po sila on their hotel accommodations, restaurants, and retail stores. Di ba? Exciting, di ba? So, saving that make a difference. Over 1 million in-store discount locations. Okay? Di ba? From fine dining, fast food, restaurants, nightclubs, bars, movie theaters, golf sports, entertainment, di ba? Services, automotive, health and beauty, e-commerce, retail shopping, travel, hotel, airfare, car rental, destination, cruises, condos, resorts, and cashbacks sa mga restaurants, travel resorts, entertainment, and e-commerce, and more. Okay? What excites me more kasi hindi ito limited sa US. This is also available anywhere in the world, even dito sa Tacloban or even kung saan po kayo, is pwede po tayong mag-accredit ng mga merchants, local merchants in your area para maka-avail na po tayo ng discounts, ng mga members discounts. Okay? So, how to become member affiliate dito kay Save Club? Very simple lang po. We have two options. First is $80 or 4,800, and second is the $300. We call it VIP membership. Okay? So ang difference lang po nila is the monthly and you pay it annual. Okay? Yun lang po yung difference nila, but the access of discounts and savings pareho lang po. Okay? Plus, kung nag-VIP membership po kayo, nagbayad po kayo ng $300, may additional earnings po kayo dito kay Save Club. Okay? So, ang mode of payment natin, pwede po kayo magbayad through credit card, debit card, or cryptocurrency. Kung mayroon po kayong crypto wallet, you can pay. And pag wala po kayo doon, credit card, debit card, or crypto wallet, you can pay me through GCash, Maya, Coins.ph, BPI, Como. Okay? So, pwede po kayong bumili ng package or magbayad ng subscription nyo. Okay? $80 or 4,800 or $300 or 18,000 pesos. Okay? Klaro, no? So, benefits of being Save Club member is first, no mandatory buying. Okay? No auto ship, no team sales quota, no point monitoring, no flash out, no personal sales required. Okay? And ang pinaka-exciting dito, bakit? Kasi ang business natin is through online. Cellphone, laptop, desktop, Okay? So wala po tayong operational expense. Diba? And you can do your business anywhere in the world as long you are connected to internet. Okay? So we have 5 ways to get paid with Save Club. First way is generational coded fast start commission. Ano po yun? Sa lahat na nagbabayad sa inyo ng $80 or 4,800 pesos or $300 or 18,000 pesos, you earn 25% from it. Okay? 25% or referral fee of $20. So, katumbas po niyan, $20 is 1,200 pesos per person na nire-refer nyo. Good news. Bakit? This is unlimited. Unlimited po. Kahit ilan po yung direct nyo, you will be paid $20. Sample, you referred 10 person, you will earn $200. Ganun lang kasimple. And it will not end there. Okay? Kasi mayroon pa kayong additional income sa mga nabentahan nyo na nagbenta din. Okay? Sample, meron po kayong nabentahan. May nag-sign up po sa inyo, dalawa, ng $80. Okay, automatically you are 1-star rank. Okay? 1-star rank, mayroon po kayong additional 4%. Gets nyo? Sa lahat ng mga nag-join sa kanila. Okay? Yung na-invite mo si A and B, may na-invite sila, mayroon po kayong $4 from them. Okay? Klaro? So, second way or second rank is 2-star. So, when we say 2-star, you only need 4 directs and 20 total member. Okay? Klaro tayo ha? From 1-star, dalawa lang po yung kailangan. Then 2-star, apat. Apat na direct, a total of 20. Okay? Gets nyo? And alam nyo, napakaganda nito. From 2-star to the highest rank dito kay Save Club, apat lang po ang kailangan yung direct. Woo! Pinapalakpakan po yan. Okay? So, next rank is 3-star. Ayun. So, pag nag-3-star po kayo, a total of 100 member, additional meron po kayong 3% or $2.4. And 4-star, a total of 500 members, meron po kayong additional 2% or $1.6. And the last rank is 5-star, 2,500 member, meron po kayong additional 0.80. Coaches, apakadali po ng rank dito. Bakit? 2,500 lang, isang barangay lang po yan. Di ba? You will hit the rank. Okay? So, napakaganda po dito. If you are a 5-star, okay? You are a 5-star, nakapag-direct po kayo ng 1 affiliate, automatically, coaches, sa'yo po lahat yan. From 25% or $20, $4, $3.20, $2.4, $1.6, and $0.80 sa'yo po yan. Di ba? Yun ang pinakamasarap na kitaan. Okay? Yung sikreto po dito is to hit the highest rank as fast as you can. Di ba? As long na wala pang nagpa 5-star under you, wala pang nagwa 1-star, lahat na nagjo-join, kuha niyo po lahat yan from first generation to 5th generation. Di ba? Naintindihan niyo po, coaches? Di ba? Ang sarap. Okay? So, next earning po dito kay Safe Club is Matrix Commission. Kagaya po ni Live Good, Matrix Commission din po sila. Okay? But the difference, si Live Good is 2 by 2 by 15. Okay? Tayo, 2 by 2 by 16. What does it mean? Pag sinabi natin 2 by 2, ibig sabihin, dalawa lang po ang kailangan natin kada tao. Okay? So, ako, dalawa lang ang kailangan ko. Yung dalawa ko, dalawa lang din kailangan mo. Para mapunuan mo yung matrix. Nagets nyo na? So, makikita mo from level 1 to 16. And the second column is 2 by 2 matrix. Makikita nyo din 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Di ba? So, a total of 131,070. Okay? The next is column is the amount. Ibig sabihin, sa level 1, pag mayroon po kayong dalawa, you earn $1. Paano po yun, coach? Kasi you will earn 0.50 from each active member that pays their monthly subscription of $20. Directly or indirectly. Ma-invite mo yan o hindi. Kung napunta po sa genealogy mo, you earn $0.50. Okay? So, but pag wala po kayong invite, limited lang po kayo up to 12 level. Or that is $4,095. Ibig sabihin po, coaches, pwede po kayong kumita ng $4,095, okay, by just activating your account sa Save Club. Hindi kayo nag-invite, na musician lang po kayo. Pero I don't actually promote this, okay? Swerte-swerte lang po kasi yan. Sa Live Good, ang dami pong naswertehan yan. Marami pong baguhan sa industry, sa networking, hindi nakapag-invite, pero since nakapag-activate sila at napunta sa kanila mga magagaling, sa left and right nila, kumita sila ng milyon-milyon until now. Okay? Pero, meron pa akong challenge sa inyo. Why wait? Ha? Why wait kung kaya po naman natin pagtrabahoan na para kumita tayo ng 500,000 a month. Starting next month, coaches. So, sino po again ang interested sa inyo kumita ng 500,000? Pataas po ng paa. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, patype po ng number 2. Parang wala na akong guest dito. Hello, thank you, Coach Melanie. So, very simple lang po. Kung gusto niyo pong kumita ng 500,000, gawin niyo lang po yung pinapagawa ko sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo pong kumita, again, ng 500,000 sa June, kailangan niyo ng kumita, kailangan niyo ng pera, very simple lang po. Gawin niyo lang po ito. Okay? If all, if all who join 2 people in 1 day, you will complete your matrix 2 by 16 in just 16 days. Tama, coach, o mali? Nakita nyo, meron tayong level 1 to 16. Okay? Kung tayo, mag-i-invite tayo lahat ng dalawa. Ako, dalawa. Yung dalawa ko, nag-invite din ng dalawa. Okay? 4 na yan. Yung 4 ko, nag-invite din ng dalawa. 8 na yan. In 16 days, mabubuo natin yung matrix. Huwag niyo pong ipaubaya sa upline niyo paano kayo kumita. Okay? Just do your share. Okay? You only need 2 people. We only need 2 people. Mahirap ba maghanap ng dalawang tao, coach? Mahirap ba maghanap ng dalawang tao na may ambisyon kumita din ng 500,000? I guess not. Marami po tayong dapat tulungan dito sa Save Club dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Marami pong gustong kumita, okay? So all you have to do is to share this opportunity, okay? 'Di ba? Kung saan-saan nga na nakakarating ang Pinoy, nag-abroad, 'di ba? Nag-OFW para lang kumita, 'di ba? Ito yung opportunity nyo nandyan na mismo. Nakikinig na kayo sa Facebook Live. Nakikinig na kayo sa Zoom. Bakit hindi nyo po pagawin? Bakit? Ha? So, very simple lang po. Alam nyo po kung magkano kita nyo sa dalawang tao na in-invite nyo? Ito po, for 8,191. Automatic, pag may dalawa po kayo, you are 1 star. And pag 1 star po kayo, yung minimum monthly income nyo po is $8,191. Or, magkano yan? That is 500,000 a month. Okay? Hindi po ito one time.
Hindi po ito one time as long na yung mga tao na in-invite nyo gustong kumita ng 500,000, as long that they are paying the $20 subscription every month, lahat tayo kikita tayo ng 500,000 a month. Ayaw nyo nun? Hello!
Gusto ko, gusto ko.
Grabe naman kayo. Ang ganda-ganda ng opportunity, palalampasin nyo, di ba? So, bakit kami nagkakandara pa dito? Because this is one of the opportunity na nakita ko. Di ba? This is one of the opportunity na kumita dito sa Pilipinas kasama pamilya nyo ng dollar, di ba? Hindi lang dollar, di ba? Kundi babaguhin po ang buhay nyo dito. Ha? Mahirap ba mag-invite ng dalawang tao na gustong kumita ng 500,000, coach? Patay pa ko, yes or no? Hello, hello, hello. Meron bang tatanggi sa'yo kung i-offer mo yung opportunity na kumita siya ng 500,000 sa 4,800 na puhunan? Hello? Naku po.
Hello.
Hi, hi, hi. Okay, so the purpose of the business is to create customer that create customer. Kaya sabi ko nga dito, kung may mag-join sa inyo na hindi man lang, ha? Kung hindi man lang sila magko-contribute ng dalawa, wag nyo nang pa-joinin, ha? Wag nyo nang isama dito sa Save Club. Masisira lang ang buhay natin dyan, di ba? Masisira lang yung relationship nyo as a friend or business partner. Bakit? Sisisihin ka niyan eh. Hindi ako kumita, coach eh. Di ba? Kung hindi naman lang sila mag-i-invite, magpa-participate, mag-i-invite ng dalawa, huwag ka nang sumali, please. Huwag ka nang sumali. Ha? Hindi ka namin kailangan dito sa Safe Club. Ang kailangan po namin, ang gustong kumita at mabago ang buhay. Ang gustong kumita ng 500,000. Di ba? Tama ba ako, coach? Di ba? Ganon-ganon din naman eh. Di ba? Kung papasok siya as swerte-swertehan lang, wag na. Ha? Kasi wala pong yumayaman sa MLM na wala kang gagawin. Ha? Tsamba-tsamba lang. Ano yan? Na, tumaya ka ng loto? Di ba? So, apakaganda dito kay Safe Club. Why? Hindi lang po hanggang 500,000 ang pwede mong kitain. You have the opportunity to earn more and more and more if you like. Pero dito pa lang, coach, ang laking bagay na po yung 500,000. Tama, mali? Hello, hello, hello. Patay pa ko, tama o mali, coach? Hi, wala na. Hello, hello, Coach Ben. Nahuhuli ka na. Kasi dito sa Save Club, sa Save Club, pag nag 2-star ka, from 8,000 magiging $16,000. That is 1 million. Di ba? Nakita nyo? 1 million, 2 million, or 3 million ba ang gusto mong kita? It's up to you. Ikaw ang magde-decide how much you want to earn and kailan mo gustong kumita. Coaches, matrix commission pa lang yan ha. Wala pa tayo. We have 5 ways to earn dito. Dito pa lang. Pwede nang tapos na eh. Di ba? Tapos na laban. Kunin nyo na po yung registration fee of 4,800. Di ba? So next is paano po coach kumita through spillover? Sinabi mo pwedeng kumita kahit walang invite. Yes. Pero again ha, we do not recommend. Itong is income through spillover, swerte-swertehan lang po yan. At wala po yan guarantee na kumita ka. Okay? Bakit po kayo maghihintay? Bakit kayo mag-aabangers na pwede naman niyo gawin? Pwede naman kayo mag-invite ng dalawa to earn ng 500, sigurado pa. Tama, mali? Okay? So, pero ipapakita ko sa inyo yung paano. Okay, this is me. Okay, nag 1 star po ako kasi may invite ako left and right and this is you. Okay? Since ako, ambisyoso ako, gusto ko mag-rank up ng 2-star. Okay? So, nag-invite ako ng another 4. So, wala akong choice. Mapupunta yan sa left and right ng first 2 directs ko. Okay? And this is you, napakaswerte mo, lalo na pagka na-spill over sa'yo is magaling. May ambisyon din, gustong mag 5-star. Gustong kumita ng 500,000 a month. So magkakaroon ka ng tao whether you like it or not. Okay? So for every member who has paid their monthly subscription worth $20, you will earn 0.50. Kahit hindi mo yan invite, dahil napunta yan na spillover sa baba mo, you earn 0.50. Sample, you have 40 members affiliate. 0.50 times 40, you earn $20. Month after month after month. Okay? What if, okay, what if 1,000 members po yan, nasa baba mo, times 50, that is $500 or 30,000 pesos. Matanong ko kayo, mayroon po ba kayong invite dyan? Hello? Meron o wala? Hello? Patype po ako. Meron o wala? Coaches? Hello, hello, hello? Wale. Wale. Wala po kayong invite dito kasi spill over yan. Kasama po yan sa system. But again, hindi po ako nag-promote niyan. Bakit? Babagal po yung earnings niya dyan. And magbo-boomerang po sa inyo yan. Babalikan po kayo. Mumurahin kayo ng invite nyo. Pag yung ini-invite nyo, sasabihin nyo na pwede kayong yumaman by just paying subscription. Wag na wag nyo pong gagawin yan. Ha? Magkakasiraan lang kayo ng relationship. The true business is to direct at least 2 tao. Di ba? Gets nyo, coaches? Patay pa ko ng 5 kung nakuha nyo po yung point ko. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, thank you, Coach Ben. So, next is generational matching bonus. Okay? Pag sinabing generational matching bonus, ito po yung mga earnings na mga invite nyo. Okay? Kung kumita sila, mayroon po kayong matching bonus na tinatawag. At ang ano dito is generation din. Okay? This is me. I am 3-star. Okay? May invite po ako na 4. Nagkumita ng $4,000 each. Okay? $4,000 each. Since ako yung sponsor nila, mayroon po akong 20%. Okay? 20%. Since I am a 3-star, mayroon pa rin po akong 12% sa 1-star, may 10% po ako sa 2-star, may 5% pa ako sa 3-star. A total of, that is 47%. Ibig sabihin, each person na na-direct ko po na kumita ng $4,000, mayroon po akong 47% or $1,880. Times 4, magkano po yan? That is $7,520 or $451,200. Imagine nyo po, kung 4 yung direct nyo, pwede pala kayong kumita ng 1 million every month. Gets nyo? So, ganun yung potential niya. And hindi lang po nagtatapos yan. Kasi you have still 2nd gen, 3rd gen, 4th gen, hanggang 5th generation. Generation po pinag-uusapan natin dito, coaches, ha? Hindi level. Ibig sabihin, habang wala pang nag-3-star sa baba mo, lahat yon is first generation nyo. Okay? Nag-guess nyo? So, ganun yon. So, next is our yearly VIP membership bonuses. So, paano po ito nag-workout? Di ba, mayroon po tayong entry na monthly na $80. Di ba? Or, mayroon po tayong yearly of $300. Itong tinatawag namin VIP membership bonus. Ibig sabihin, pag nagbayad po kayo ng $300, that is VIP membership. Okay? So pag VIP member po kayo, you have additional earnings sa lahat ng nagbabayad ng VIP membership na $300. Kikita po kayo ng $10 sa first generation. Habang wala pang nagda-direct, I mean wala pang nag-VIP member sa baba mo, lahat yon kita mo yon ng $10. Gets nyo? Okay, sample yung direct nyo po. Nakapag-direct na rin po siya ng first ng VIP membership. Siya po kikita ng $10 pero meron ka pa rin $5. Gets nyo? And up to third generation or $3. Alam nyo po, in a 1 week time, kumita ng VIP bonus yung upline natin, si Kelly Toller. Si Kelly Toller is a diamond, US diamond ng Live Good. Okay? Kumita siya ng $242. Or, this is just a 1 week income mo, 3,248. Okay. Di ba? Pwede na ba yan? $3,200 weekly income? Nako po, ang laki-laki niyan, di ba? So, yan. Then next is our monthly leadership bonus pool. Ito po malupit. Ha? Ito po malupit. Ito pong leadership bonus pool, usually, binibigay yan sa mga top rank lang. Ha? Binibigay lang yan sa mga top caliber, yung mga nagpe-perform talaga ng excellent performance. Di ba? Pero dito, alam nyo po, dito kay Save Club, as early as 2-star. Ha? 2-star. Kung sa Live Good po is as silver rank, na mayroon pong direct na 4 at 20 members, total members, kasama na po kayo sa leadership bonus pool. Wow! Diba? Sarap. And this is my 2-star leadership pool. Ang lang dito is 1 week lang po ito. Kasi nag-start kami dito, if I'm not mistaken, that was April 26. Di ba? So, kung nakapag-early tayo, malaki-laki yan, di ba? Then, pag nag 3-star po kayo, ito yung upline natin, si Christopher Hopkins. Live Good Diamond din sa US. Kumita siya ng $311. And our grand upline, okay, si US Diamond, okay, Live Good US Diamond. Kelly Toller, kumita po siya ng $622 sa 4-star leadership and up to 5-star. Alam niyo po malupit dito. Kung 5-star man po kayo, okay? Nag 5-star po kayo. Kumita po kayo ng monthly 5-star leadership pool. And it so happened na demote po kayo, hindi niyo po inabot yung 5-star. Okay pa rin kasi mayroon ka pa rin 1-star sa 4-star sa 4-star rank. Nagets nyo? So, grabe yan. Pero napakaganda dito. Why? Hit the highest rank. Kasi dun sa top, iilan lang po kayo naghahati-hati. Gets nyo? Kasi sa 2-star, possible marami kayo kasi madali lang yung requirement. Pero pagdating ng 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, medyo madami-dami na yan. Ang requirement, di ba? 2,500 katao. And ilan-ilan lang kayo maghahati-hati dyan. Gets nyo? Di ba? Yun. So makikita nyo, ito yung diamond bonus pool sa Live Good. Ha? Ito po, kagaya po siya ng leadership bonus pool dito kay Save Club. Kaya lang, ang pinagkaibahan lang natin, sa Save Club, binigay niya sa 2-star pa lang. Di ba? Nakikinabang na kami. Makikinabang na tayo. But dito, sa Live Good, only diamond po ang nag-i-enjoy dito. Oh. Ito sample namin, oh. Tingnan nyo. This is Coach Harold. Kumita siya ng 20,000. I myself, kumita ako ng $8,035 and Coach Adonis, kumita siya ng $4,000. Pero tingnan nyo po, yung diamond bonus pool pare-pareho kami, $2,288.15. Okay, naintindihan nyo? So, ang laki nito po.
ang laki po ng kitaan dito. Sa diamond bonus pa lang, ba? I mean, sa leadership bonus pool pa lang.
Okay? For easy step, ask, Tagalog, pwede po ba ako magtanong? Nasa subscription business ako at naghahanap ako ng mga gustong mag-subscribe at potential na kumita. Naghahanap po ako ng 2 tao na gustong kumita ng 500,000 next month, starting next month, na gustong mamuhunan ng $80 or 4,800. Hello, hello, hello. Di ba? So, i-share niyo po yung mga videos ng Save Club. Then, mag-add po kayo ng GC sa support. Maggawa kayo ng group chat. Isama niyo po yung upline niyo. Isama niyo po ako. And, isend niyo po yung link niyo for enrollment or registration. And, I'm done. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Coach.
Good evening.
Good evening po.